Choosing the correct bank account for yourself as a young person is important because you don't want to pay high fees to a banking institution in a way that you don't even enjoy your own money. So in today's video, guys, I'll be giving you guys the cheapest banking accounts available in South Africa for young person in terms of entry-level banking accounts, as well as student accounts which are available for young students who want a proper banking account for themselves with good benefits. So that is today's video. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please do consider hitting the subscribe button, turning on notification bells so you can notified with every brand new video I drop on my YouTube channel. As well, leave me a comment, tell me you're new so I can properly welcome you on my YouTube channel. But for the OGs, thank you so much for the support, thank you so much for the love. Let's get into 15,000 subscribers. But guys, not wasting any time, let's get into this video. Hello future millionaires and billionaires, welcome to that insightful and informative video right here on my YouTube channel. As I said in the intro, today we're talking about the cheapest banking accounts available in South Africa. We'll be looking in terms of entry-level banking accounts, and at the end of this video we'll look at the student account available in South Africa, and we're looking in terms of the monthly payment fees, withdrawal fees, deposit fees, as well as other fees in terms of buying airtime and debit orders as well. Guys, do remember that my videos do not constitute as financial advice, but only for educational purposes. And also, guys, when it comes to picking the right banking account for yourself, not only do you have to look at the fees, but you also have to look at the accessibility of that banking institution you are picking. You don't want, number one, a banking account that will have you waiting in line every single day for withdrawing money, a banking account that will have you getting poor customer service, or the app always offline, or whatever the case may be. So you must take fees into account, but as well look at the accessibility, the customer care, as well as how the bank makes you feel when you are dealing with them, because you don't want a banking institution that will be a nightmare but their fee is cheap. So you want to balance the fees and also the service you are receiving from that banking institution. So without wasting any time, let's get into the cheapest banking account in South Africa in terms of fees. Let's start in terms of monthly fees. The most expensive banking account to have in the entry level in terms of fees is Capitec Global One account with R6.50 monthly fees, as well as the second one, in terms of expensive, is Old Mutual Money account, which is R6 per month, followed by Standard Bank My More account, which is R4.95, as well as FNB Easy account, which is R4.95, and the most cheapest one in the country currently in terms of monthly fees, number one is African Bank My World account, which has no fees at all, followed by Nedbank Pay Your account, which has no fees at all, and FNB Zero has no fees, as well as Time Bank has no fees. Also, guys, I forgot to mention, after Standard Bank, the cheapest one in terms of monthly fees as well is Absa Transaction account, which is R4.90 per month. I forgot to mention them. So that is in terms of monthly fees. So in terms of withdrawal fees, pay 500 rand. Listen to me correct, guys. These are withdrawal fees. Pay 500 rand, you withdraw. The most expensive one is Old Mutual My Money account, which is 15 rand. Pay 500 rand, you withdraw. African Bank My World account, which is 10 rand. Pay 500 rand, you withdraw. Nedbank Pay Your account is 9 rand. Pay 500 rand, you withdraw. Followed by Capitec Bank, which is 8 rand, pay 500 rand, you withdraw. Standard Bank My More account, which is 8 rand, pay 500 rand, you withdraw. As well as Absa Transaction account, which is 8 rand, pay 500 rand, withdraw. The most cheapest bank account in terms of fees, in terms of withdrawal fees, is FNB Zero account, which is 7 rand, pay 500 rand, you withdraw. And Time Bank, which is 3 rand, pay 500 rand, you withdraw. But with Time Bank, guys, also bear in mind that this 3 rand, pay 500 rand, you withdraw applies only when you withdraw from their listed retailers, which is Boxer and Pick n Pay, Shoprite, and all of these others. But when you withdraw from an ATM of another banking account with a Time Bank card, you will pay 10 rand, pay 500 rand, you withdraw. So now let's go into the deposits fees. And the most expensive banking account in terms of depositing money, depositing pay 500 rand, it's African Bank My World account, which is 15 rand, pay 500 rand, you deposit, followed by the Old Mutual Money account, which is 15 rand, pay 500 rand, you withdraw. Then after it is the Absa transaction account, which is 11 rand 50 cent per 500 rand, you withdraw. Then after that is you deposit, sorry. Then after that is Time Bank, which is 7 rand. Nedbank Pay Your account, which is 650. Capitec Bank 650 as well. Capitec Global One account 650. Then the Standard Bank, which is 5 rand, and the cheapest depositing entry-level bank accounts in the country is the FNB Zero account, which is 0 in terms of depositing money. So in terms of airtime, because we know we're young people, we buy data, we buy airtime with our banking app. The most expensive banking account for entry level in terms of buying airtime and data, it's Absa, which charges you 2.70 rand per transaction of buying airtime, followed by Old Mutual, which is 2 rand, and then followed by Capitec Bank Global One account, which is 50 cent, and Standard Bank My More account is 50 cent. The cheapest one in terms of buying airtime in this country for entry level banking account is the FNB Zero account, which is 0 rand for buying airtime on their app or buying data. In terms of debit orders, because we know we have our debit orders for those who have that clothing accounts, whatever debit order you have, maybe the cell phone contract, whatever it is. In terms of fees for debit orders, the most expensive one in the country is the Standard Bank My More account, which is 3.50, followed by the FNB Zero account, which is 3.50 as well, and the Old Mutual account is 3 rand. The Capitec Bank Global One account is 1.50, and the cheapest one in this country of debit orders is Capitec Bank, which is 1 rand per debit order that you have. So that's in terms of the entry-level banking account, the cheapest one in the country. As I said, guys, make your own decision, pick number one on the service you're looking for, because we know a specific bank has long line. As much as they claim that they're cheap, which the numbers just give say they're not, but they always have long line, poor services. So what's the use of going to a bank that has cheap fees, but they always have long services, long line, the app is always down? So you must balance the two, the value of your time as an individual, the value of the service you get, as well as the value of the fees. So that's the other thing that you look into. So that's the thing that you can look into in terms of the entry-level banking account. So now let's get into student accounts, which is the most affordable one in terms of student banking accounts. Because some banking institutions create accounts that are tailor-made for students so they can fit the needs for students and the needs students have. I have my notes here on my phone. So in terms of the most affordable ones, I'll first start with the one I use the most. I used to use while I was student. I got kicked out of it last year, actually this year, which is the Standard Bank Student Achiever account. You need to be around the age of 18 to 25 to use this one, to 24, sorry. And it comes with it costs you 9 rand per month. It tells you 9 rand per month, that's the monthly fee, and you can draw up to 1,350 rand at any ATM, pay no fee, and for every deposit you make of 100 rand or any 100 rand deposit. For example, you're depositing 5 rand, you say 500 rand, so you deposit 500 rand, there's 500 rands there. So if say you'll take 1 rand 85 cent, you times it by 5. So for every 100 rand you deposit, you pay 1 rand 85 cent. So some of the benefit that comes with this account is that it has unlimited swipe, unlimited electrical payments and card swipe that you can do, as well as unlimited mobile usage. And also you get, if you want to use it for a loan, a student loan, you have the lowest student loan rates in the country with this account. And other thing as well that you get up to 250 data per month from this banking account using Standard Bank mobile data as well. And you get access to a Varsity Vibe for free with the Standard Bank Student Achiever Award. The other one that we have is the FNB student account, which is called the FNBY. FNBY. I don't know why they call it like that. This one needs you to have like 100 rand to open it, while the Standard Bank one doesn't need you to have a minimum account to deposit. You must be under 25, must be registered in South African University. And in terms of fees, it has no monthly fees. It has, for every cash deposit you make of 100 rand, you pay 95 cents. And the first 3,000 rand you deposit is free of charge from this account. And also, for every withdrawal that you make of 100 rand, you pay 1 rand 90 cents from this account. And also you can get free, I think one of the benefit that it comes with this one is that you have unlimited swipes. You can swipe as much as you want with this card. You pay no fees for swiping. So that's the other one. There's not a lot of student accounts. The second one is the Absa Student Silver account, which a friend of mine has. You get 100 megabytes of data every single month. You get full food vouchers, and you get up to 30% gym discount from their selected gym that you get from their website. They will tell you which gym to go to, and you get 30% discount in that gym. And you get a travel voucher of 150 per year. I don't know what you do a travel voucher 150 per year. We travel a lot of just as students. And in terms of the requirements, you must be between the age of 18 to 27, and you must be registered as a student, whether postgrad or undergrad. And in terms of fees, there's a monthly fee of 27 rand, and all ATM transaction and swipes are free from this banking account, which is the Absa Student Silver account. There's not that much student accounts available. Those are the three main ones out there available in students accounts. The other ones are not students account, but they're entry-level accounts, which I mentioned in the beginning of this video. So guys, let me know what you think about today's video. What you thought of the students accounts I have mentioned. As well, let me know in the comment section which one did I miss out that you think needed to be in this video. I know I didn't count Discovery. I didn't count Bank Zero as well. Those are still new. I'm still getting used to it. I'm using currently Discovery Bank. I'm loving it, but I'll do a separate video about it. So that's it, guys. I hope you loved this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you will let me know in the comment section what you think about it, and subscribe and like this video. As always, guys, I've been Spacely Sam. I'm sweating. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day.